Hey everyone, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to source products from Walmart for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to ask again if you guys can like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And that way other people can see my stuff and they can also learn from my videos. So with that being said, I'm going to start my video. So yeah, if you're an Amazon seller, Walmart is one of the most, I guess, like popular sources, especially for beginners. So I'm gonna make a video on how to source products from Walmart, right? So I would start with going to Walmart.com, right? And then I would pick, I mean, any product really to start with. So not this one. This one's a pretty big product. So for example, this one, right? So I would open this up. And then what I would do is I would copy the title of the product. So copy it and then paste it onto Amazon. Search it. And then what I would do is I would look for the exact same product, same brand too, on Amazon, right? So this one is a carrot non-stick pots and pans. So I would look for the exact same product, which I think is this one. Let's see, is there anything else? Carrot. Oh, okay, I think it's this one though. Yes, this one. So it's this exact color, right? Yeah, I think I found it. So this one is 11 piece. Oh, 13 piece, man. Let's see. Yeah, this one is an 11 piece right there. So that's not it. So I would keep going down the list and I would look for the carrot 13 piece set. I don't think it's here. So I would do Control F and 13. Let's see. Man, there's a lot of 13s here. It's not that one. No, I don't think it's here. Yeah, so like product research takes a lot of time. So I don't think it's here, so I would skip it, right? Just to save on time, I would skip this one. And then I would look for another product. Let's see, let's pick another random one. So I guess this one right here. Let's see. So again, I would go to Walmart.com, pick a product, and then get the title, right, of the product, and then paste that product paste that title onto Amazon.com, and then look for the exact same product, which I think is this one. Let's see, this one right here, I think. So I would check it. If it's the same one. Okay, so it looks like the same one. This one is 4.2 ounce. This one is 2.5 ounce. Okay, so it's not the same one. Could it be this one? Oh, this one is 4.2. I see it. Is this the same one? So same size, 4.2 fluid ounces. Yeah, I think I found the right one. It's 4.2. Yeah. So I think it's the same product. And then from here, right, like once you find the product, you would run the numbers. So this one is 34.38. So you plug it here, 34.38. And then you would run the numbers. So this one is giving you a 55% ROI. This one is a hazmat though, so it means you can't sell a hazmat as an FBA seller. If you're doing FBM, you can do hazmat. Let's see. Yeah, this one looks good, except the brand owner, which is Ralph Lauren, right, is also in the listing. So this is a potential, or I think for sure, IP complaint. So I would stay away from this one. And yeah, if you look at Keepa, there's only one seller, right? The past over a year, right there. And that's because the manufacturer or the brand owner is also selling this product right there. So I would save it from this listing. But I hope you guys got the point though, right? On how to do product research from Walmart. So yeah, that's one product. And then let me pick another one. So let's try this one. Let's try that one. I keep exiting Amazon, sorry. So again, pick a product from Walmart and then do a reverse search on Amazon. So get the title, this product, and then paste it onto Amazon. And then see if you can find the exact same product. Is this the one? So this one is 15 ml. Yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah, I think this is the one. So we found the right one, except that on Walmart, it's a lot more expensive than on Amazon, right? So on Walmart, this one is $13.29, and on Amazon, this one is only $8. So obviously, we can't sell this on Amazon because it's a lot more expensive on Walmart, right? There's a supplier, so well, if you're selling from Walmart, now you can buy it from Amazon, and we sell the same product on Walmart. So, but yeah, I hope you guys got the point though. On how to do product research using Walmart. So again, just to do a recap, you start with Walmart, and then you look for different products on Walmart. You pick one that look right. You pick a product from Walmart, and then you do a reverse search from Walmart to Amazon, and then you find the product. You run the numbers. If the numbers make sense, then you go ahead with purchase. If not, then you skip it and move on to the next product. So I hope you guys got value from my video. And again, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And that way other people can also see my stuff. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.